Hello everyone. In previous video we saw that how can we check whether the word entered by user is palindrome or not. In this video we will be looking into a program where we will be calculating the number of words that are present in a sentence. So we will be creating a program in BlueJ where we will be calculating the number of words when we are taking input of sentence from the user. So for that I will create one class named words. I will take input of string from user using buffer class, and for that I will make use of java.io package. So string str to take input of sentence from user, then I will make use of character ch that will keep on extracting each and every character from our sentence. And last I will take another variable I simply to traverse from each and every index that is there inside our sentence. Now I will create one method that will calculate. So calculate method creating buffer data class object. I will write one printing statement using which we will print on the console to enter the sentence for which we have to count the number of words, and str will take input of the sentence that user has to enter. So str equals to br.readline. Now we have to mention throws IO exception because this class will always give us one exception. So this is the exception statement that we have to write beside each and every method that we are using. Next I will take one loop that will traverse from very first to the very last index of our string. And now how to find the words in our sentence. So we already know that whenever there is a sentence, wherever we find any sentence, then a word is always created when we add space between different kind of characters, or I can say different kinds of letters that are there. So when there is a sequence of characters and when we add one space, then there becomes two words. If there are sequence of characters, if we add two spaces, then the number of words becomes 3. If we add number of spaces as 7, then the number of words that would become are 8. So this kind of pattern is observed when words are created. So for this, I will simply count the number of spaces that we have in our sentence, and the number of words that are present would always be one more than the number of spaces that are there. So I will simply extract characters at each and every index positions, and then I will check whether is it my space. If it is my space, then I will keep on incrementing one variable which is count. So I will keep on incrementing the value of count, and once all the traversing is done outside the loop, I will simply print that the number of words that are present inside my sentence are one more than the value of our space. So count plus 1, and that's it. This will give us the number of words that are present inside our sentence. I will then create main method that will simply create the object of our class, and after that we will call the calculate method. If we compile and check for the output, then I will enter India is a country. So in this we know that we have 4 words and it is giving the number of words equals to 4. If we try to enter simple one word like computer, then it should give us the number of words as 1. So it will not find any space inside it, and it will give us one more than the value of space, and we don't have any space, so it will give us the number of words are 1. So this is how we can calculate the number of words that are present inside our sentence. Now, if you have any other queries related to this program, then you can ask your questions in comment section. And if you have any other questions related to this topic or any earlier topics, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.